Hi guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to calculate plant population step by step. Please kindly follow me carefully. Now, let's assume that you are given a question and you are told to calculate the plant population. First of all, plant population is gotten when you are given the distance and the areas of land. That is when you can find your plant population. And I want you to note something. When you are calculating plant population, you must make sure that your unit is in meter square. You must make sure that your unit is in meter square. However, there are some questions that they might give you that let's assume that they gave you maybe the plant population, the planting distance is in meter square, or the planting distance is a meter square, and they give you that the areas of the farm is in maybe acres or hectares. You must make sure that you convert both of these to what? Meter square. You must make sure that you convert it to meter square. Now I'm going to be solving a question that deals also with plant population. Follow me carefully as I solved. Okay, let's continue. Let's assume that they gave me to calculate, I was told to calculate the plant population of a maize, and they gave me that the planting distance is this, that is row by column. In rows, this is the planting distance 2.5 meter, and column, the distance between the rows is 2.5 meter also. Now they told me to calculate the plant population of this of any crop, maybe maize, any other crops like that. And they gave me that the area of the farm is 40 hectares. Don't forget what I told you. First, make sure that you convert your units to meter square. Now, how do you do that? If you look at this, the area of the farm is in what? Hectares. So I have to convert this 40 hectares to what? Meter square. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. First thing is solution. Now let's proceed. Don't forget that convert 40 hectares to meter square. Don't forget that 1 meter 10,000 meter square, rather 10,000 meter square is equals to what? 1 hectares. That's it. 10,000 meter square is equals to 1 hectares. So therefore, please, I want you to take note. Make sure that the unit that you have here, if you have kilometer square here, you must make sure that you convert meter to kilometer square. Your meter square to you must make sure that you convert it to kilometer square. So I'm having hectares here. So, and I know that from my unit conversion, I know that 10,000 meter square is equals to 1 hectare. So x, let me represent x. Let me use x. X meter square will be equals to 40 hectares. 40 hectares. Let me put like that. So from what you have then, this will multiply this and this will multiply this. At the end of the day, I'm going to be having my x is equals to, of course, hectares, we cancel hectares. So my x is equals to what? 40 multiplied by 10,000. 10,000 meter square. So the area of the farm, this is the area. Area of the farm is 400,000 meter square. Now the next thing to do is to find your planting distance. The planting distance, don't forget, the planting distance is equals to 2.5 meter times 2.5 meter. So 5 times 2.5, that is 6.25 meter square. The planting distance also is what? 6.25 meter square. So now, since you have gotten the area and you have gotten the planting distance, you can proceed to calculate the area of the plant population of 40 hectares of farmland. The plant population of don't forget, the formula for plant population is total area over the spacing. Let me rule here. Formula for plant population is total area over the spacing of the crop. So plant population, I shortened it. Plant population equals to total area. Total area. Let me use another marker here. Total area. Total area. All over spacing. Spacing. Now, If you look at here, you know that the total area is what? 400 meter square, 400,000 meter square, all over 6.25 meter square. So if you punch your calculator, what does it give? Now 400,000 meter square divided by 6.25, that will give me 64,000. However, this is not the answer. You have to put 64,000. You have to put stance here. So this is the stance. This is the total population, the plant population. Now, assuming that the questioner proceeds and said that if each hole is planted, if two seed is planted per hole, what determine the plant population? You cannot proceed to multiply this 64,000 multiplied by 2, because as the seed started germinating, you will realize that since they are plant, you have two seed per hole. Let's assume that all of them survive. We're going to be having two. Therefore, this is plant population for a single seed. If the here and the area of the farm, the area of the farm is planted per one seed. But in the case that the questioner said if each hole is planted, if two seed is planted per hole, you can proceed to multiply this 64,000 stands by 2. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Please kindly click on the subscribe button if you love the channel to grow, or let me know how you felt about the video. Drop comments, like the video if you like the video, drop comments if you just do something and let me know how you feel about the video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate